Aston Martin has turned into the most recent car maker to be made up for lost time in a noteworthy review of broken Daimler guiding section segments that can cause unintended airbag arrangements. The British games auto producer is reviewing every one of the 3,873 DB11 Roadsters worked since late 2015, when generation of the leader demonstrates started, Aston Martin representative Kevin Waters affirmed. He said repairs would be done to address an issue with the DB11 directing section upper. Daimler a year ago reviewed more than 1 million Mercedes-Benz autos fitted with controlling segment parts likewise provided to Aston and Nissan. The Japanese car maker's Infiniti image reviewed 17,500 influenced vehicles. The issue is inconsequential to a worldwide review of defective Takata airbag inflators that have been rebuked for 20 passings. Insufficient establishing in the Daimler units leaves their hardware defenseless against electrostatic charges that can trigger unintended airbag organizations, as indicated by prior notices. Mercedes revealed a modest bunch of occasions where drivers endured minor scraped spots or wounds because of the issue. No Aston Martin clients have announced any such episodes to date, the organization stated, including the vital repair work would be done for nothing out of pocket in under 2 hours. Revealing by Lawrence Frost.